Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars, no matter what.
What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today's video is going to be a really fun video because I haven't done one of these in a very long time. But we're actually going to be doing a cook and clean with me. So today I'm going to be cooking a fun and healthy low carb lunch meal. And before we get started, this is also a collab with my friend Lily. She is a mama here on YouTube and also on Instagram. Her Instagram name is Not So Fat, Not So Skinny, and she is all about fitness and health and being a mom. So we've collabed so we can bring you guys a couple of new recipes that you guys can try out. If you do try out our recipes, make sure you guys show us over on Instagram, tag us, show your pictures, your Insta stories, and go ahead and tag us so we can see what you guys do with the meals. After you guys watch my video, please head over to Lily's channel, show her some love, check out her recipe for the day, and go ahead to the comments and let her know I sent you. I would really appreciate it. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and jump in. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and eat some of this for you. This is like a super clean meal, so hopefully you're into that, and it's really good too. It's so good. I'm gonna sit down and eat this, and then we're gonna come back and clean up our mess. Alright, you guys, so now we're gonna go ahead and start with the cleaning. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this. I hope you guys enjoyed that recipe. It's super easy but super healthy and good, so I hope you enjoy it. Again, let me know if you make this recipe. Go ahead and tag me over on Instagram because I want to know how you guys like it too. So right now we're just going to go ahead and kind of pick up everything that I used for cooking and put away some dishes that I had washed recently or previously. While I was cooking, I like to go ahead and do two things at once, and I'll go ahead and add the produce to Ziploc baggies or Tupperware and things like that, just so I can save time during the cleanup, and that's what I'm picking up here. So I am saving some of the chicken left over from this meal, which I am going to use for dinner the next day because I do have a recipe that I am doing. So right now I am doing the dishes. I have a few things that I needed to hand wash. If you're new here, I do hand wash most of my pots and pans and put those on dish mats just so it can kind of save space in the dishwasher, because it's really hard for the dishwasher to clean all the dishes properly if I have huge pots and pans in there.
Blinded by the light ahead, thought about just what you said. Connecting lives is what you planned. After all, let's take a chance. Turning dust into diamonds, turning love into guidance. A second chance, let us commence. That's what I love. The life I see. What's left in me? Burning bridges to the ground.
In this video, I'm using a lot of the all-purpose grapefruit by Method product. That product is one of my favorites. It just smells really good. It smells fresh, springy, summery, and I love it. A lot of my products are from Grove Collaborative, which I do have a link down in my description box with a free offer where you can check out Grove Collaborative and you can get some free products with purchase. So always check my description box where I keep a lot of links to like good offers or discounts or anything like that. There's coupon codes, things like that. So make sure you guys check that anytime you're looking for something too. So we did have a lot of dog hair here. If you're new to my channel, I have a Roomba, but we do not run that Roomba on the weekend. It is Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. every day. So this is kind of like a weekend of Remy's dog hair. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. If you're new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just hit that subscribe button and also the little notification bell so you don't miss a video. Also, here is the comment of the day, and please don't forget to check out Lily's video. I will have all her links in the description box. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I will see you guys later this week.